Today we're presenting DiabloTrade EA V1.1 MT5, a high-frequency trading robot designed for both normal and prop firm accounts. It uses a smart grid-based logic with stop-loss automation to manage trades safely while aiming for fast and consistent profits. After downloading, you'll get the EA file, an installation guide, and a quick README document. Simply copy the file into your MetaTrader 5 Experts folder, restart MT5, and drag DiabloTrade EA V1.1 onto your chart. Here, we're backtesting on USDJPY H1 using the every tick model for maximum precision. As the test starts, the EA automatically identifies key trading zones, executes entries at strong price levels, and maintains tight risk control. You can clearly see the strategy's smooth equity curve, where trades open and close with minimal drawdown and consistent balance growth. Starting with just $500, DiabloTrade EA V1.1 generated about $1,221 profit, with a profit factor of 3.08 and a drawdown below 8%. Its steady upward curve and accurate execution make it perfect for prop firm challenges and professional risk management. DiabloTrade EA V1.1 MT5 is now available for instant download at yoforex.org, including the set file and user manual. The original price was $499, but it's now offered at just $175 US. Join our YoForex Premium Telegram channel to get exclusive bots, updates, and community support. Trade fast, trade smart, only with YoForex Premium.